The Geovation Hub was set up very much I think in reaction to our quick learning about releasing open data in the UK. So in 2010, Ordnance Survey with the government released a lot of its geospatial data for free. We released a set of about 12 different geospatial data sets from about the street level upwards. And I think we quickly discovered that you can't just simply release data on a website and expect people to use that data, expect people to innovate with that data. And of course the whole philosophy for open data in the UK was about stimulating small, medium enterprises, stimulating access to geospatial data to developers and the wider community at large. So you really have to think about a much broader ecosystem of support to enable the innovation that you get from that data. So in the latter years, and the Geovation Hub's been, I think, running for now about a year to a year and a half, we decided to actually create a proper incubator hub. So it's situated in Shoreditch in East London, so there's many other technology companies around there. Geovation Hub is not just an incubator hub, it's actually the centre of a Geovation community. So there are many different things it does, for example. So one thing it does, it is an incubator hub. So as a small, medium enterprise business, you can come and take some space in the hub, you can be in there with many like-minded companies, you get access to Ordnance Survey data and in fact other data that we can get through that part of the network. And it's about how those companies can then generate cool geo ideas. So how can they really sort of explore, take some risks and really be at the leading edge of generating good applications for the market. Ordnance Survey will support them on that journey, and then we hope that they're successful because we hope that then we can get their ideas and solutions into the marketplace. Dependent on the category of entry into the hub, absolutely there's a support package financially, so we help those companies with financial support in their early stages, and that's been very successful. So I think we have currently around over 40 SMEs currently resident in the hub. I think there are also about 550 plus associate members. So on an annual basis, there's a lot of people moving through that space, a lot of people sharing ideas and information, and that's a benefit not just to those members, but also the SMEs working in the hub are getting the opportunity to engage with those collaborators. I think the value that we see the hub brings is by bringing solving big challenges within the country that make good benefit for the citizens of Great Britain. So it's about introducing those startup companies and giving them an easier route to be part of that debate, to bring those big ideas to the debate. So it's doing something for the common good of the country. I think it shows that how geospatial data can form part of that solution. So I think it's really important that Ordnance Survey has decided to sponsor this initiative because we're seeing the bigger, if you like, countrywide benefits and benefits to GB plc. So Ordnance Survey sees an inherent benefit in exposing its data to those organisations that want to use it for good effect, and GB plc sees good benefit because it sees companies growing, more companies growing in the geospatial industry in Great Britain, and giving that wider access to Ordnance Survey data to those companies and making it easier for them to do business as well. The hub has also attracted lots of interest from big business because they see the benefit of putting their investment into the Geovation Hub means that they're going to get access to some of that geospatial technology and application by sponsoring those things. So for example, companies like Trimble, Nominet, Intel and other large utility companies in the UK are all putting their money into that hub. We're pretty open actually to the ideas that they have to bring to the party, if you like, because I think we're pretty open to any idea as long as it makes good business sense. I think ultimately that's what we're looking for. Good business sense for us to sponsor that opportunity so we can see that there is a really good solution that might make it to market. And in tandem with that, we are looking at running specific themes and competitions within some of the big challenges within the UK to solve. So in addition to the Incubator Hub programme, we also run regular competitions to solve big problems and big challenges. So for example, the latest challenge is about building smarter, greener communities and cities. We have a conference on the 16th of February called Geovate, which will be held at the Royal Geographical Society in London, and that's where building these smarter, greener cities will feature as part of that debate on the day. and the best ideas will get big investment to actually take those forward. So that's almost a sort of a separate strand of activity that runs alongside the normal incubator hub process.